Hi there, I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you a quick laughter yoga exercise. This is the clap and press. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise nice and high up in our posture, and we're going to clap as we inhale. And then as we exhale, we're going to laugh it out, and we're going to press the hands out. So clap, inhale, and then laugh it out as we exhale, and then clap it in as we inhale, and then laugh and expel out that air. One more time. Inhale, clap it in, and then exhale, breathe in and press it out. At the end of laughter yoga exercises, we do this twice. We go very good, yay, very good, yay. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and please try this. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Thank you so much for joining and learning this little laughter yoga exercise. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.